What's going on? I'm going to show you how to add buildcraft to your Minecraft server, not just your client but also your server for Minecraft. So we're going to be adding it, and I'm going to take you through everything, including downloading it. So first, you're going to download the Minecraft_server.jar. Even if you're on Windows, you don't download the exe because you can't really mod that with the way that we're doing it. So you're going to download that, keep it, and I'll drag it in my server folder, and we'll leave that alone for now. And then you're going to go to the link in the description. I went through the trouble of putting everything that you need in a RAR file, and it'll take a couple seconds maybe. Drag that onto the desktop, and we'll keep the Minecraft server download page open because we're going to need this. So next, you need to add it to your Minecraft client before you add it to your server. So you're going to go to your start menu and type in %appdata %, hit enter. If you're on XP, just go to run and type in that. And here's the .minecraft folder. I have a fresh one. So go to that and go to your bin and open up Minecraft.jar within our archiver like you normally would when you're adding a mod to your Minecraft. Open up the buildcraft server mod stuff. And double click the client one in this, and you're going to put modloaderMP in for modloader multiplayer. You just need to put that in your client as well. Hit OK, that's in there. X out of that, put modloader in there like you normally would with most mods. Hit OK, and put the Minecraftforge in there. So we got all those in there. Hit delete on META-INF, otherwise it won't work. And now you can exit out of the Minecraft.jar. We'll be adding these a different way. It's a much easier way. So now you are going to run your Minecraft. Log in. And it'll create mod folders that you need for adding these mods. See right here, it adds this folder. So you're going to put these into there, the buildcraft client, all these ones, you're going to put in the mod folder. And you're done with the Minecraft side of it, or this client side of it, but I am going to add too many items just so I can make sure the items were added. So I'll add too many items to it real quick. And I'll run Minecraft to make sure I installed my side of it first. Make sure I installed it right. Create the new world. Now press E. Yep, it installed correctly. Here are the added items. So we got that installed correctly. Wolf. So you can exit out of Minecraft and get an exit out of the bin place. Now you're going to open up the server.rar and go to where your jar is for your server. Oops. I guess I created all the. That's what you need to do first. You need to run this and create all of the files that are that go with it. I usually let this run to build the world first, so I don't have to wait for it later. So I'll let it do that real quick. almost done here. Okay, when it's finished, just type in stop to make sure it doesn't run in the background and screw everything up. Alright, and I'll edit my server IP so it works when I want it to work. Save. Okay, now you're going to right click on Minecraft.jar and go to winrar archiver like you did with the bin. And you're going to open up the server file, and these ones you are going to have to drag in manually. There's no special mod folder, so put everything in here. Also, you will not delete the META-INF file. That is staying in there, otherwise the server won't run. So just drag everything in here, it shouldn't take too long. Alright, so those are all added in there, including the modloaderMP. And now, before you run it, I recommend making a server starter bat. That'll make it so you can make the amount of RAM that's allocated to the server more, so it runs smoothly. So you're going to go back to the Minecraft website, and where it's under the jar it says Java blah blah blah, you're going to copy that. You don't have to copy the no GUI, I usually don't, because I like to have the GUI. And you are going to make a new text document and name it server starter, and erase the .text and put bat and hit yes. And some people don't have the option to be able to change this because the .text thing doesn't show up. The reason being is because you have to go to any Windows Explorer window and hit Alt and go to Tools and Folder Options, and then go to View tab, and it should say Hide Extensions for Known File Types, and make sure that's unchecked and hit OK, and then it will show up. Okay, so we're going to right click on it and hit Edit, and we're going to copy or paste in the thing from the Minecraft website, and where it says Java, you're going to delete that and go to your Java folder. I'll go to it real quick. Java, JRE6, and then go to the bin folder, and then copy this, and put a quotation, paste it, and then another quotation, and before the quotation, put \java w.exe, and you gotta add @echo to it. Save that, and then it'll automatically already have more RAM allocated to it than the normal jar. So all you gotta do is change these, and it'll add more RAM. See, this is 1 gig and then another 1 gig. And if you want 2 gigs, you'd add 2048 and then 2048, and it'll give you 4 gigabytes of RAM allocated to the server. And then you can drag that into the folder and then double click it, and it'll start up the server. Now, to make sure it works, we'll get onto the server real quick. Go to multiplayer, connect, and I'll type in my local IP address. And it logs in nicely, working. And I'm underwater. Let me get to the surface here. So we'll hit E, hit O, and as you can see, everything is still on the list of things to spawn in, but just to make sure, we'll click on it, and if it's working, it'll spawn it, but I have to OP myself, I forgot about that. Okay, so click on that and it'll give me it, and the server didn't crash, which means that it worked perfectly. So you successfully set it up. If you have any questions or problems, post a comment down below that way, and hopefully I'll be able to help you out. I know a bit about this, so I should be able to help you out, and if I don't, I will try to refer you to some post on the forum or something that might help you. Anyways, that's it. I hope I made you be able to put this on your server. I'll see you guys